Hey, if you're walking up the stairs and your knees hurt on every step you take, then there's one mistake that you're likely making. In fact, I'm making this mistake right now, and to be honest, it's kind of hurting my knees. And how do I know this? Well, I've had 5 knee surgeries. And what that means is, if I make any mistakes with my movement, I end up paying the price the next day. You might relate to this too, where you go up a flight of stairs or you go for a long walk and the next day everything's swollen and tight. Well, it's probably because you're making this one mistake with every step you take. Now watch what this mistake is. As I bring my foot up in front of me, and this applies for the stairs, but also every step you take while you're walking, if I start to push forward and my knee wobbles inward like this, it's called a valgus collapse. And it's a sign that we don't have strong feet and that we don't have strong, stable hips. And so how do we want to start changing this movement? Well, every step we take, we want to follow one simple rule. And that rule is, as I step, my knee needs to go the same direction as my toes. For most of us, especially for people with this exaggerated valgus collapse like this, there's a couple ways to make this feel a little better. And if you have a staircase in your house or that you hit very often, sorry, let me say that again. And if you have a staircase in your house or one that you go up very often, then you can practice this every single time you go up it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab onto a handrail and make sure you have it here for support. Now you're gonna make sure that your toes are pointed straight forward. And even if you're wearing shoes, see if you can squeeze the ground with your toes. We're literally gonna squeeze the ground with our toes. That'll help keep the foot stable and active. Next, I want you to push your knee outward a little bit like this. So now your knee is gonna be outward, but I want you to bring your belly button right behind your toes. So it's not like this to the outside, it's this, where everything's in good alignment. Now press your foot into that stair, hinge forward from the hips, and keeping your knee pointed the same direction as your toes, see if you can slowly come up and then transition to the next step. And this one, same thing. Foot comes down, toes grab the step, knees a little bit to the outside, the full foot presses in, we stand up and we don't let the knee wobble inward like this as we stand up. It might take you a little bit longer to go up the stairs, but if you practice just one flight of stairs a day with perfect form, you'll gradually correct this valgus collapse, and it's gonna make your knee feel so much better. And it's gonna make you feel a whole lot more stable as you go up, even down the stairs, or even as you go for a long walk. Hey, and if your knees still bother you and you want them to feel better, then the key is learning how to move better so that you can feel better. And if you want to try a 10-minute routine that you can do from home to start strengthening your knees and moving better and feeling better the right way, just click the link in the description below.